Hi, myself Ajay Bhartiya from Mahavi Classes Bharuch. Today we are going to do extraordinary proof of a trigonometry. Already we did 3 to 4 sums, I know that, from a second lecture. Okay, so you can divide it. If you written in your notebook, you can check it. But I say that it's a too much easy way to prove the proof of a trigonometry. So first, I think yesterday or in a last lecture we completed 3 sums, first, second and third. But you know that we are using a particular way to solve these all sums, and that way is in a step. Which steps are there? Remind it. First, if anyone new from this channel, please write down in a notebook that in any sum, for any sum, just convert that sum in a sine and cos. So convert in sine theta and cos theta. Okay, sine theta and cos theta. Second, just this is revision. Convert sine theta and in cos theta. Then take, after sine and cos, take LCM. If you follow this step, you can easily solve the proof. Take LCM. Third, after LCM, you take it may be identities, use identities. Third, fourth, you have to apply your after identities, have to apply factorization, factorize or expansion, and fifth is, if you can't use all 4 steps, then there is Brahmastra, and Brahmastra is that rationalize the factor, rationalize. Okay, so now we are just follow this step and going to solve the given sum. Okay, just follow me. और उसके बाद आप देखो कौन सा जादू हो रहा है इन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. आप कभी सोचोगे भी नहीं कि सर इतना इजी भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री हो सकता है. हाँ, क्यों नहीं हो सकता है? आप अगर फॉलो करोगे तो हो सकता है, नहीं फॉलो करोगे तो नहीं हो सकता है. डिपेंड ऑन फॉलोइंग. तो आज हम फोर्थ वाला सम करने जा रहे हैं. 1/1 plus sin theta plus 1/1 minus sin theta is equal to 2 sec square theta. We are going to do. तो ये सामने क्यों लिख रहा हूं? I say that just you check that I'm just using this step and sum automatically solved. 1/1 plus sin theta plus 1/1 minus sin theta is equal to 2 sec square theta. We are going to prove. Okay, so take RHS 1/1 plus sin theta upon 1/1 minus sin theta. अब देखते हैं ये जो फॉर्मूला, ये जो आपने स्टेप बनाया है, क्या ये सही में सब में लागू होंगे? यस, चेक इट. Convert into sine and cos. Any sum, try to convert into sine and cos. 0. Can you convert this in a sine and cos? So you can see that, sir, वो कैसे हो सकता है? 1 plus sin तो कुछ होता नहीं. Already this term in a sine and cos. कोई भी साइन में हो या cos में हो या sin and cos both में हो, it's not matter. लेकिन ये दोनों जो टर्म है वो दोनों टर्म sin and cos में ऑलरेडी है, so we can't do anything. तो ये स्टेप खत्म हो गया. Now we are not using this. Take LCM, check it. It will be followed or not? Yes, 1 plus sine and 1 minus sine. You can see here, you can take here LCM. So what is LCM? Both term is a LCM 1 plus sine theta. These and these, जितना भी डिनोमिनेटर में वो सारे LCM में डाल दो. 1 minus sin theta. घबराने का नहीं इधर, right? 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. So here 1 plus sin theta and here 1 minus sin theta. So compare these both denominator. So here 1 plus sin theta, but here 1 minus sin theta. That means here not 1 minus sin theta. So you should multiply 1 minus sin theta. And what is not here after comparison? So you can see that 1 plus sin theta not there. So you should multiply here. So 1 into 1 minus sin theta plus 1 into 1 plus sin theta. So 1 minus, now you should multiply this one to both, this one to both. Try to multiply. What do you get here? You get that 1 minus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta. And what will remain here? 1 plus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta. We can see here conversion not possible because already sums given in a sin cos. Second, we took LCM here. Okay, good. This followed, took LCM here. Okay, then sin theta cancel. So what remain here? 2 upon 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, check. Is there third point is followed or not? Can you use identities here? No, here we can't use any identities. Okay, then याद रखना ये थर्ड एंड फोर्थ पॉइंट है ना, वो अल्टरनेट होता है, मतलब कभी ये पहले आएगा कभी ये पहले आएगा, दो में से कोई एक पहले आ जाएगा. तो चेक करो. नाउ फैक्टराइजेशन या एक्सपेंशन हो रहा है. कैन यू हियर फैक्टराइज और एक्सपांड? यस. व्हाट यू कैन डू हियर? फैक्टराइजेशन, सॉरी, एक्सपेंशन. What? You know that the formula of a plus b and a minus b? What is the formula of a plus b and a minus b? You just apply here. So you know that a square minus b square. Why? You can just check it. Just multiply all the term. You can see that a square minus b square. So just you apply this formula here. Check it. If here it is a, one is a and sign is b. So here a plus b. And here a minus b, you can see here a plus b and a minus b. So answer is a square minus b square. So you can say that 1 square minus sin square theta. Okay, so 2 upon 1 minus sin square theta. Can you tell me? Factorization you can use. Now check identities. Any identities you can use here. 1 minus sin square theta. You know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So if sin square theta, change the side of a sin square theta, what do you get here? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So you can put here 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta here. Sorry, here. So 2 upon, we can put here cos square theta. Okay, so what is the answer? So now you can see that if 2 upon 3, you can write like this, 2 upon 2 into 1 upon 3. So we can also write here 2 into 1 1 upon cos square theta. ये नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन I think you understand that 1 upon cos square. And what is 1 upon cos square? 1 upon cos, it's a reciprocal of a sec. So you can put here sec square theta. So answer 2 into sec square theta, and this is nothing else but it's a RHS. You can see here. What is the answer? What is the answer that you have to prove? To sec square theta. Okay, so you see here, you apply all the terms by sequence, right? What it means? You have to follow this. अगर ये एक बार फॉलो कर लिया आपने, it is easy to prove any proof of a trigonometry, right? Okay, so now take a second one. Sec square theta into cosec square theta plus cos square theta. In square root, sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec theta into cosec theta. How to prove? and I'm going to apply my Brahmastra terms that I am talking about each and every sum. Okay, you try first. LHS. If you want to do yourself, na, just pause the video and try it, and just then check it that my way and your way is same or not, or you are trying to do or not. Okay, you are succeed or not, just check it. What will we do here? So first term is a convert in sine and cos. Okay, so I'm going to convert your sine and cos. So sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta plus 1 upon here sine square theta. Okay, ये जब हम 20 more than 20 sum we will complete ना, बाद में देखना मैं ऐसी मेथड बताऊंगा, ये साइन कॉस मैं भी भूल जाऊंगा, आपको भी भूला देगा। मुझे सिर्फ आप में कॉन्फिडेंस लाना है ये सम की शुरुआत में। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इफ यू गेट अ कॉन्फिडेंस देन it's easy to solve any sum, right? So we are just doing this to get a confidence. So what is the LCM here? Cos square theta into sin square theta, because second we already converted it. Now we are going to take a LCM here. So we can see here, if we take here LCM sin square theta into cos square theta, we can check here sin square theta, right? And we write here cos square theta. So you have to multiply here and here. So sin square theta into 1, so sin square theta plus this cos square theta multiplied to the 1, so answer is cos square theta. Now check it. First, second is also applied here. Now check it. Identities can we apply here or not? So we see here sin square theta plus cos square theta is a standard identity. You can use here sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta. So we can see here we get, 1 minute, we can take here square root, right? One square root is 1, and cos square root is a cos, and sin square root is a sin. So we can write here cos theta into sin theta. If it is in a plus, if it is in a form of plus, sin square plus cos square, we can put 1, right? But we never write like this. याद रखना, ये बहुत सारे बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं, ऐसा लिखते हैं a square plus b square होता है ना, तो वो लिख देते हैं 1 का स्क्वायर रूट होगा 1 and a square plus b square का होगा a plus b, ऐसा लिखेंगे. This is the wrong method, right? What happened here? You have to put here a square plus b square. बस ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं लिख सकते. ओके, नाउ यू कैन गिव cos theta into 1 upon sin theta. So what is 1 upon cos theta? It's a sec theta, and 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So we can check it here. We get the answer. It's nothing else but it's a RHS. Okay, so try to do more sum by this method, by these my steps. Can you solve it or not? Okay, meet in next video. तब तक आप एक्स्ट्रा सम्स की प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और चेक करिए कि ये टर्म्स, ये जो स्टेप मैंने बताया, क्या ये अप्लाई होते हैं कि नहीं होते. 100%, राइट? सी यू, बाय बाय, टाटा.